Hello, Pequot Valley learners. Today we're going to review a prefix that we've been talking about over the past couple weeks. The prefix is inter. Just as a reminder, a prefix is a word or group of letters that is placed before or in front of a word. And a prefix changes the meaning of the word. Today we're going to talk about inter, which means between. So for example, when you add inter to action, it becomes interaction. And it means action or event between two or more people or things. Inter plus mission equals intermission. And the meaning of intermission is a break between acts in a play or parts of a show or game. Inter plus fear equals interfere, and it means coming between something or getting in the middle of something. Inter plus ject means interject. It means to insert between. Inter plus national means international or becomes international, and it means from or between multiple countries. Inter plus rupt me is interrupt, and it means to come in between of something like a conversation. Inter plus racial is interracial, and it means between two races. Inter plus scholastic equals interscholastic, and it means between two or more schools. Inter plus dependence becomes interdependence, and it means dependence between two or more people or things, or dependent on one another. Interstate, inter plus state becomes interstate, between two or more states.